Hi guys, if you are in the business, if you are in the sales and marketing, there are few important things. If you just keep in your mind while you are preparing your strategies, you can see exponential growth. Many business leaders, they are putting lot of pressures in terms of achieving the numbers, especially the business numbers, and they are very keen to see that whatever they are committing to the stakeholders, to their superiors, they would like to see these numbers become true, and they would like to put your all the energy to achieve these numbers. So friends, what happen if they don't concentrate and if they don't look into the other area which are very important and the integral part of their strategies, like capability building, like competency building of their people, and the right communication. If their people do not know how to make, it is going to be only a transactional business for any organization. So what is important here? No doubt that you need to achieve your numbers. Numbers can be achieved if you have certain strategy and the plan in place, and you also concentrate in terms of building the competencies and the capabilities of the people. And if you follow this way and this path, this is going to be you a long-term a relationship with the business, and this business which is sustainable, long-term and scalable. Otherwise, every time, every year, you need to do and you need to fall into the practices which is of more of the transactional kind of things, rather than building relationship, creating value, and even going beyond that and creating the customers for a long term. And that is called inviting your customer into your marketing strategy. Make your customer in the plan. So when your customer choose you, rather than you are giving something to the customer, they are choosing you because of the compulsion of that money and the fuel, whatever you are fueling them. This will be for the limited period of time. And if you would like to see the long-term relationship, have that long-term plan. And this is what the difference between the sales and the marketing. Sales is the one-time phenomena. When it comes to marketing or branding, this is a long-term sustainable phenomena for any business. Wish you all the best. If you are learning something out of this, please share this video with others, subscribe to the channel, and wish you a great success in 2022. All the best.